and welcome to this video guide series for setting up a class with Noteable. In this video, we'll be looking at how to create an assignment with Noteable. The first step is to go to the View menu, click on Cell Toolbar, and then click on Create Assignment. You'll then see that you'll get some additional options to manage your cells. The Cell ID box lets you connect autogradable questions with the autograder test cells that evaluate them. And you can use the cell right next to it to determine what kind of assignment cell Noteable should recognize it as. As you can see, we are adding some explanatory text to ask a question here using the markdown cell type. And in this example exercise, we're asking the student to compute the squares of numbers from 1 to n. When we have written our exercise, we can make sure that it's an autogradable answer by clicking on the menu. You will then see a few options available in the drop-down menu to choose what type of assignment cell you want to determine here. A manually graded answer can be set for both text or code cells. And with this type of answer, students can write more creative solutions. Instructors can also manually mark an exercise with this cell type. For a manually graded task, this is a cell that contains the description of a task that students have to perform on Noteable. They must be manually graded by an instructor. An auto-graded answer is where students can write code and implement the solution. This is also where instructors will implement a reference solution which will be hidden from the student view but visible for the teacher when they're working on the assignment. The auto-graded tests option gives you the ability to write unit tests and includes hidden test cases, which Noteable can recall when auto-grading, which is important as when you set the cell ID, this can connect cells to manage your assignment. It is very relevant to set the cell ID for recalling when auto-grading as the same cell ID reference point. So your student won't see the solution, but instead will be asked for an answer while the assignment that you created is hidden from the student view. And we'll look at an example of this in the next video guide. Read-only cell types are non-editable options for explanatory text or information that a student cannot change when working through an assignment. In the next video, we'll look at creating an autogradable coding exercise which will include autograder test cells that will link up to the name you have given to your ID cell. This video is part of a guided series to set up your class and start teaching programming with Noteable. Please proceed to the next video in the playlist or find more information about Noteable on the documentation page of the Noteable website.